Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint in this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now in the device security section we've got the fingerprint, so let's enter, and that's the first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be quite confusing because here we have to set a screen lock. It is actually crucial, and you won't be able to add the fingerprint without the screen lock. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using the pattern pin or password. So it works just like a backup screen lock. Of course, you can pick whichever you want to. You can pick the pattern pin password, whichever, and of course if you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. So let me set the pattern, let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of notifications will be shown, so just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on done. And here we've got the animation about the adding our fingerprint to this device. So basically we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is in this device located on the power button on the side of it. So let me put my finger on it. Okay, we have to tap on start inputting. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, and change the position of your finger and try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. Okay. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint. It was quite easy and fast, so if you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got some options connected to the fingerprint. You can decide where you want to use the fingerprint for. So defaultly turned on option is to unlock the device, and you can also set privacy and app encryption. Here you've got the unlock method. So you can decide if you want to unlock your device with just touching the power button or touching it and pressing it. Personally, I think that this option is much easier and much more comfortable. Here we've got the fingerprint list. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it here just by tapping on the trash bin icon, or we can tap on it and rename it. So why not? Let's do it. Here we can add the fingerprint, so probably we can add up to 5 fingerprints, and if you will have a lot of them, here you've got the fingerprint authentication, which simply means that here you will have the list of the fingerprints you added, and then just by putting particular finger on the sensor, your device will show you which fingerprint it actually is. So quite cool. Alright, let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.